Have you heard this story about a beautiful place? A place that makes you feel restful. In the midst of people who live in religious harmony. A place that makes you feel home. Meet these friendly people who will welcome you with warmth. After all, welcoming guests is their tradition. The light of Aceh, wonderful Indonesia.